Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Sui Wallet for Chirp Airdrop. So the initial step is to log in to chirpwireless.io, or you can simply download the Chirp Tracker app if you're using the mobile phone. The steps are same in mobile phone and PC. Now, go to the Chirp Wireless and sign up using your email address. Once you sign up, a verification link will be sent to your email address. Click verify and your email address will be registered. Once you complete registration, you'll be directed to the Chirp dashboard. Now, once you're in the dashboard, the second stage is to download the Sui Wallet extension. Go to Sui Wallet and add extension to the Chrome. Once added, sign in using your Google account and create a strong password and select Next. Now your wallet is ready. Now again, go to Chirp dashboard. You'll see the wallet option at the left hand side menu. Click on it. This is where you connect wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and click Sui Wallet. Now, once you click to Sui Wallet, it will ask you to save the wallet address. Click on Save Wallet Address and your wallet address has been saved and Sui Wallet has been added to Chirp. Now, you can successfully claim your airdrop through Chirp. This is how you connect Sui Wallet for Chirp Airdrop. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.